Me need to see somebody go down at the hospital. Me just say, me need to see somebody go down there, and next me I go end up feel better. You understand? That's all me pray. Oh my God. Chanel, Tajay, get up. You still asleep? Yeah. So him now go down at the, come go down at the hospital. You go down there? Put yourself together. I think they have visiting hours about in the morning. You have one way about. I think your first visiting hours gone. But at least you can still go out a door and pass something to a nurse or something and tell the nurse something makes you feel good. Yeah, sometimes you really need to leave there. Chanel did ask one of my workman for chop out one piece of spot for her so she can build a house. The man do the work and Chanel the hospital, oh God. Before yesterday, man I work, you know. And chop out the whole little spot here so for her. So she can build her house. She did want to build her house right over here, so you can see it. She didn't build for her house over there, so. And make a boo build for her house here, so. So, I go take care of him, man. I go make him man get it pay. I know say Chanel now go bother live here, so. You know, I don't really know exactly, but I feel like I had a low blood count and me hear some arguments say she try to commit suicide thing. So when I know she will do something what she do all the while. She did not cut out till she. Oh God. And thing, you know, I know like, you know, Chanel have ambition, you know. Chanel a girl have ambition, me I tell you that. I know hate her. It's just that I can't choose nobody. I mean, what she got through hard. She not build a nice little place here, so. But they say if nobody there around me and them can't do nothing or them can't help me with nothing, I don't want them around me for true, you know. Because right now, the pipe where them end up cut off, chop off. I buy back the whole of the pipe, water pipe system. I want all the man to string up a pipe for me. Somebody must can string up pipe. I not have to pay somebody for string pipe. Somebody must can string pipe good. You understand what I say? Somebody must can string up pipe instead of me for call one man for come get them make the pipe for me. I want the pipe today, you know. Today I want the pipe there in the yard there, you know. So either. Understand me the phone call yet?
Go up there, man.
Go up there? My dear with Chanel. My dear with Chanel.
If you not take them, you're not okay, you know.
You know, want to tell them.
You know why I'm going to go up there?
It makes sense you go then for them. So she try to cut off all everybody up from the side of them. Maybe she want. Or I call TT there. It don't make no sense then. It don't make no sense then, Tajay. I tell you the truth, it don't make no sense. It's just the truth. It's just the truth.
She cannot get one short from last night, though. She not. Like even being she can't fit because she not the place.
So when she don't want to things them, so what she do? She can take it something them.
She said she don't want nothing from but she asked she will never did to tell me because she don't want nothing from her, but she don't.
You know, I feel she begs. You not for understand that for true still, you know. If I see certain things, me I go bex. I go cut off everybody up the ants, up the dog will come from the yard. Yeah.
Everybody true, but in a case like this where emergency.
Me understand, but she put some and buy juice here, buy some juice and panty for her. You tell me say me want go river. And you go tell me about say me we left shot. Look here, I'm not dirty people here, man. You don't move from your son, man. Where I wanna go? So I wanna come put it for me, say me make Chanel there in the hospital. And that you not come try put for me? So una try to put it for me, say I'm me make Chanel there in the hospital. Hey, people no go on no man. Una go on no man, what kind of foolishness them don't not come comment in my comment section, man. You see, people on social media, wicked as some figure out with I wanna set up people a million fucking time. Wanna set up people. When time me and TT they got river. You understand what I say? When me and TT got river to rot it, well, where Chanel did there? Chanel up a yard with him, man. And that me I tell you. And me and TT got river. You know, can't tap me from TT got river if a girl like me. You see me? No can't tap a girl if a girl rate me. No, him for choose which one I girl him I deal with. You understand? When not supposed to come and blame me. The girl want to go river with me. What me fi do? Nothing wrong with the girl. You see me? The girl rate me. The girl say she want to come with me. Tajay did and work. You see me? How long after me go pick up Tajay? When time she put out in things. And me go for my son. My son call me and tell me, say, Mommy, come for me. Me have to left the river. Left me pitney them a river. You hear me tell you? I'm going to pick up him. How much someone want to put on for me, so? A good thing me dey on social media because all the pound there and see. Me have to run left me things and me no eat. A good thing Eldino did there and me beg Eldino. Me say Eldino help me follow me go up so book up and pick him up and come and carry him go river with me. Him never did the river. Him never did the river. He never did the river with yo. God. Why me Quentin things so flow someone like cause I'm gonna know want to see me win you. What kind of style you not come with? And me dey up at house and me see girl a fight. They all for got fight and them foolish there. And me make sure say me stop him. Make sure say nobody can fight and nobody can cuss. So nobody no see that. Nobody no see what me a try for do. I can't tap a youth. A girl like after J. Oh no one. Oh no one. Look here. You know the day. Oh no do this to TT. Oh no do that to TT. Oh no do that to Chanel. Oh no do this to man. No move from your song go here, man. That me I tell you what, I just move from your song go. No, you're nothing from none of them. No go on like me have dick. You look like me have freak nobody. Like you see me have freak nobody. And just low my man. No, when you buy some pressure pill for me, because like some sick freaking head people. And I run on I try run people, you know, that to not try for do, you know. Oh, about 4 kg they make. They make about 4 kg. 1, 2, 3. 3 kgs. That's a 1. 3 kg. 3 kg they make. 1, 2, 3. Alright. And then don't do that the party already. Let's see. The deli condy with the water pipe. So because all the people, you go say, where you mute me for? Look how much people are say bad things. So because people are say bad things, you think it is right for you to come over here and say bad things too as well. So you is a follower. You is a copycat. Because look by your text where your text is while ago. They mute you for a reason. And I hope they see that comment where you comment again. And I hope they mute you again. You is a copycat because you're going to say how much people are commenting bad things. So you are going to follow people and do the same thing too as well? Yeah. Yeah, I see him. Jaga tell, no, I'm not a member of that. She's... me no remember you say nothing to me. Right now, I don't want you nothing from Jaga more than him just come out of the house and just go and go deal with him baby mother. If she even don't want nothing from him, go and go turn up the day and make she feel good, know say him come down there and bring something for him. You understand? Let me tell you no. I want to listen because una my family. Me take a lot of una really rate me. Me take una for my family. It don't come like a look a therapy when me come here so me can just free myself and do anything I want to do with you round you. You understand me? Around you guys. Me feel free. Me feel happy when me have my people them when me can talk to. Right? Up to my kids nowadays get used to it for their have a look of social media family. It's like a open, a open book. Right? And I can't wait to set up my YouTube where I can just do it openly. Everything we do, we just do it openly. We're comfortable. And I get a phone call, right? And TT talk to me and tell me, say, comment section, I say, Chanel say XYZ, right? Which as well, to be honest, right? She shouldn't, because she say it, but it's like she listen to the comment section because people in the comment section can run with anything we did. You see, all right. So, good morning. So, from that happen now, you understand me? People here can start run with it. My son know their work. And when in their work now, people start attack him. Remember, say a food him a deal with. Right? So people start take up a juice from the table for me and come. Right? People started to attack him and then same thing there. Right? This a boy serve food and ray. And man this him. So he have to left work. He have to left work before them hurt him. Remember say him family big pan the media, Remember say you have a family with pan the media. You understand me? People know him family pan the media, Right? So you know the day now, him have to left. Boom, some now me a carry the penny them go river, me a carry LD no go river, cause oh God man, LD no come down here. At least we can make him have one look a wonderful time before he go back on yard. Right? Boom, so we get a call. He say, Mommy, please come for me. Come for me. Morning, want me, you there. What's up, girl? Right? He say, Mommy, come for me. Me say, all right then. Right? Me come son, me buy some gas, and me come son, we go down so for him. When we go down there now, you understand me? That's something what I never like to see. Because I know say can't always go the wrong way. Right? And she put out him things them. Me take up the things them. Me tell him go in the car. Right? Me take up the things them for him. You get what I say? And me leave she did there. And me carry him down and me carry him with me. Right? And me bring him go the river. Him never did not go even come at the river. And the girl me did not carry her river. Right? No, me not say she have no, me not say she shouldn't put him out. I don't say she shouldn't put him out, Me not put me mouth did it so. Me just tell her what me do. No, me not me don't worry me man. Me just talk to them, make them understand how me end up did it so. You understand me? I'm still did I make me sure say me go for my child. I'm a child, me go for my child. Attention, TT. Look, Jesus Christ, come. We could go pick water pipe because we're not start again. We're not start again. Deli, come here now, please. All right, so. Good morning, sir. Hey, me see you cock up yesterday. Hey, me see you yesterday cock up, so. And I see your lyrics a girl to blood clot. You get it, girl?
Which one?
Up a pineapple. I see you, me be right to the car. I then at the car, they start look on you.
Where cat?
Oh, but look here, let me tell you what you did there. You remember, I'm going to pick up my material, them, buy material them from?
Oh, I'm a kid, man.
So you look Maki daughter?
No, man, I'm going to do something for him. And we can't come show up, see